Hello friends, my name is Masood. Today we'll discuss about a topic, the most expensive softwares in the world. Friend, today's topic is very important and very interesting. I hope you like this video. So let's start. First of all, I would request to please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell option as well so that my new videos can reach to you. So let's start. So friend, today's topic is that the most expensive softwares in the world nowadays. So the software number one is the AutoCAD. AutoCAD is about $9,000 cost. And what is AutoCAD? It is a software which expensive computer aided design software around. CAD allows user to create objects, animations, and design in 2D and 3D. Friend, the cost of AutoCAD is $9,000, and it is a software which we use for animations, design, 2D and 3D. It is a very expensive software and a very common software nowadays. Then the next one is Microsoft SQL Server Business Intelligence. It is of $12,000. Friend, Microsoft SQL Server Business or BI tool. It is a very expensive software. As you can see, a $12,000 cost, and obviously it is not for the small and startup companies. Basically, this software enables organization to collect and analyze data in a highly efficient and dynamic manner. It is used for like for example multinational companies who are having multiple offices at multiple locations in multiple countries. So they use this software for the business and intelligence, like they collect the data and they get the required and necessary information by using the BI tool. So the BI tool of Microsoft SQL Server, it is a very expensive and a very expensive software. Then the next one is Adobe Acrobat Capture 3, and which is of $19,000. It is also, again, it is a very expensive software. It is a software of Adobe, and what is the purpose of this software? It allows users to convert any document into a PDF file through OCR technology. So friend, this is a very expensive software. However, the thing is that nowadays other softwares are also available, free of cost softwares are also available. Online solutions are also available which are free. So by using those technologies or those solutions which are online available, you can easily convert your document into a PDF file. So nowadays this software is very expensive. However, in my opinion, this is not very successful now, this software. Why? Because the other solutions which are available in market, which are free of cost as well, which are easily available, and you can easily convert your documents into PDF. So nowadays it is not required to purchase such a very high and very expensive software, and in that case where you already have other solutions available. Then the another solution, another software is HP Intelligent Management Center, MPLS VPN, Cisco device. Friend, this is software of $25,000 cost. Basically, its take on multifunctional network management software is priced $25,000. The price is somewhat justifiable as it features real-time configuration, change tracking, compliance reporting, and automated configuration tasking. Basically, friend, it is a software which we used on the network for Cisco devices. This software we use for change tracking, reporting, configuration tasking, etc. So this is a very intelligent software and very expensive software again. So the other software which is again very expensive, it is of soft image face robot. It is of $90,000 cost. This is a very expensive software. This software we used for developed by Autodesk. It is used to create a 3D graphics for a wide array of mediums, most especially video games and movies. Friend, as you know that many softwares, many video games are available in which we have to create characters, create faces. So this is soft image Facebook face robot. This is a very expensive software which we used for creation of characters, images, and it is normally used for uh, in videos, in images, in games, etc., for creating the characters and images. So friend, thank you, thanks a lot for your time, and I hope you like this video. If you like, please share it with your friends and colleagues, and thanks a lot for your time. Thank you.